Both phones are matched on paper with 5,000 mAh batteries, but I was running a side-by-side battery test of the two yesterday. I just basically pulled up YouTube and left them to it. And while the Samsung successfully reached the end of the day with 35% left, the Redmi was hanging on with 21, which is already a big difference. But then there's three further things in the Samsung's favor. One, that if you look really closely at the spec sheet, you'll notice that while both phones have the same capacity, they're actually using different battery technologies. Samsung with Li-ion, Xiaomi, and most phones like it, with Li-Poly. This is very easy to miss, but essentially Li-Poly is an older, cheaper type of tech that, while fast to charge, generally depletes faster, and importantly, degrades faster in the long term, which will likely be compounded by the second thing, the heat generated in Xiaomi's battery because of its ultra-fast charging. So 3 years in the future, the gap between these phones might be twice as big. And then 3, that the Samsung wastes less battery while on standby. The fact that it has a top-of-the-line Snapdragon chip means that, yes, its max power consumption will be higher when it's pushed, but it's also smarter than the mid-range chip in the Redmi, so it knows how to consume less power when it's not being pushed.